Although the math model used in simple linear regression is linear, which means y equals mx plus b. You can have different letters for this and for this, but it's that same idea where you get something to the first power. The estimated model can be any shape. It should be false because we don't want to use a linear regression model if the data is actually quadratic. It's not going to do a good job predicting anything in between our data values, or it's not going to do a good job extrapolating. If you're trying to if your hypothetical model is linear, then your estimated model has to be linear as well. Simple linear regression is talking about y equals mx plus b. And then technically there's this error term that's going on here too, epsilon. And y is an estimate. Okay, so just some fancy letters here, but what it means is that you're trying to predict for a y variable using a column of x numbers. And to do that, we find the best slope and the best y-intercept we can. Plus, there's always going to be some error for each individual prediction. We just don't know what that error is going to be. So simple linear regression models any relationship between two variables? No, it only models straight line relationships between two variables. Simple linear regression would do a very poor job of trying to model this relationship if this is your scatter plot. Okay? Simple linear regression uses a linear model to show the relationship between two variables. This is a linear model. A linear model is y equals mx plus b, slope. Okay. Uses a linear model to show the relationship between multiple predictors. No, simple means just a pair of data. You can use multiple linear regression. You could use x1 as a column of numbers. You could have x2 be a column of numbers. You could have x3, keep going, and then you have a column of y numbers you're trying to predict for. Okay, that's multiple linear regression. But if you say simple linear regression, then it's just one variable. Does not use error terms. That's also false. It does have error terms. There's some sort of error with each prediction, right? That's what that funny symbol means at the end.